Welcome to Conicelli Hyundai, where we ship genuine OEM Hyundai parts straight from our dealership to your door. Meet the 2021 to 2023 Hyundai Elantra front mud flap splash guards in black, a factory-molded pair that mounts behind your front wheels to block road spray, rocks, and debris from blasting your paint and lower body. These guards fit 2021, 2022, and 2023 Hyundai Elantra sedans, including popular trims like the SE, SEL, Limited, and N-Line. Your front mud flaps shield the lower body panels and rocker areas of your 2021 to 2023 Elantra from road spray, rock chips, salt, and slush kicked up by the front tires. Without them, that constant debris blast accelerates paint wear and rust along the most vulnerable sheet metal on your sedan. Genuine Hyundai guards are molded to your Elantra's exact front fascia contours, so they bolt up flush without gaps, drilling, or trimming. Shop our full catalog of Hyundai parts online, all genuine OEM, backed by the factory warranty, a fitment guarantee, and fast shipping straight to your driveway. Not sure if this part fits your car? Give us a call with your VIN ready and our parts team will confirm the right fit before you order. You can find your VIN on the dashboard near the windshield, inside the driver's door jamb, or on your registration card, 17 digits that identify your exact vehicle. Shop with Conicelli Hyundai for genuine parts every time, and don't settle for aftermarket when factory correct is just a click away.